Hey, JVix here with another video of AI tips. We have been talking about Gamma. Gamma is an absolutely incredible AI tool with real world business use, right? So there's a lot of great AI tools out there, and with AI agents coming, well, they're here and getting better every day, and new news coming out on agentic AI and all that. There's going to be some really dynamic stuff that's going to save you a ton of time, do a lot of work for you, get you more productive, make you more money. All that is real. But for the last couple of years, we've just had like writing tools, right? They might analyze some content, analyze documents. You can build some tools that chain prompts together. All that's kind of AI 102. But I want to talk about the real nitty gritty every day. You work in a business, or you're in sales, or you're in marketing, and you have to make presentations over and over and over again. Well, I don't, if you're like me, staring at a blank PowerPoint screen is no fun. Coming up with a presentation is no fun. The content, right? Editing the themes, like doing all the presentation stuff is it's just not that fun, right? It's cool once we have it and we get to go do our 10-minute or 15-minute or 30-minute presentation somewhere. That's great. But where do we start? And how can we use AI to help us just move to the next level that much faster? Today, I'm going to show you a presentation I made in literally 10 minutes. Start to finish, images, graphics, layout, text, everything, using a tool called Gamma AI. I've been talking about it a lot. But here's where I started. One of the tools that I really, really love is Claude. Claude AI is an amazing tool for strategy, brainstorming, gathering information, pulling it all together. Claude is really, really good. I'm going to add my Claude screen to the stage, and I'm actually going to go into full screen layout here. So what I did was I went into Claude and I asked Claude to create a fill-in-the-blank template that business owners can complete before using this presentation prompt. So I wanted a prompt, right? And the prompt that I got was create a 12-slide business presentation with the following structure. So I had 12 slides: solution, impact, importance, target audience, implementation, results, call to action, right? And I told it what I wanted. But what I needed a way, and I'll share the link to this tool with you here in the comments when I publish this. But I wanted a way where you watching this video could go into a tool, fill out some basic fill-in-the-blank information about a presentation that you want to do. And once you do it, it's going to generate your entire prompt that you can then paste into Gamma, not Canva, Gamma, and in seconds, you'll have an entire presentation. I'm going to show you the output I got. I actually went really, really meta, and not in like the meta Facebook way. Like I went really meta in like the, I'm going to show you how to create an AI presentation using an AI presentation about an AI presentation. So here's what we did first. All right. So I have this prompt. I said, give me the things that we need to fill out. Right here. Here's the fill in the blank template. All right. What do we want? Then I use a really neat, cool tool called FormWise. FormWise is amazing. I'm not here to promote FormWise today. I will be doing lots of videos on FormWise. FormWise is a great tool builder for AI. You do not need FormWise to do what I'm doing today. You could literally enter your prompt or just put it all in a document and say, this is, let's see, my presentation title, my industry, my solution, my problems, my statistics, target audience, call to action details. You can put that in a Word doc or a Google Doc, and then you can upload that into Gamma and do the same thing. But I'm taking it a step further. Inside of a tool called FormWise, I have built a form that you can fill out that asks you all those fill in the blank things, right? You go next, 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 and then it will output a presentation script. So what I did from there I got my entire script. I filled it all out on how to create the perfect presentation. And then I went into Gamma. Now in Gamma, I was able to paste in my prompt that I got from FormWise, explaining what I wanted on each slide, what I, the statistics, all those things, right? I said, I want this to go to write for business professionals, marketing teams, entrepreneurs, persuasive, confident, informative. It's in English. We're going to use AI images default. We're going to generate the text content. We're going to put medium text per card. I said 12 cards. I said continue. Okay. I want to show you what it generated in just seconds. What I got was this presentation. Create perfect presentations using Gamma AI. Welcome to the future of presentation creation, blah, blah, blah. Challenges in modern presentation, power of Gamma AI, the game changer, importance of AI integration, benefits for solopreneurs, implementation, a step-by-step guide, expected outcomes, ready to upgrade. And I could put any picture in here. Testimonials. This was done in like 3 minutes, not even. This was done in less than 3 minutes. Now, do I want to edit some of these images possibly? Yeah, I don't know that John Doe needs to shake hands with his twin brother here. I don't know that, maybe I would want to put my picture here or you would want to put your picture here. But this, rather than looking at nothing, a blank screen, to get this in just a few seconds, so easy. Also, one other tip that I love telling people about Gamma, you can edit these images with AI. All right, so what you would do, actually, you want to edit the image. You can put in your prompt, and you could use any of the AI image tools that are out there. Some of the biggest ones: DALL-E, Ideogram, Flux Ultra, Recraft, Playground, Phoenix, right? Imagen by Google. You've got all these, and you can actually prompt, have it enhance your prompt, give it a style, how you want it to look, portrait, square, landscape, what tool, click generate, and try again. Now, we did a video on the perfect image prompt using Ideogram. Look at my YouTube channel. You can see how we can do really great photo style images with all the settings you need, and you can put that into your style. But really, you can have presentations built out. I have built out so many. If I just look at some of the presentations we built just in the last couple of weeks or months, let's see. Sacred Shelter Program. This is a roofing a program for roofers that want to target churches, a metal manufacturing company, a framework where we go after roofing clients with digital marketing services, our framework, prospecting one I built in just a minute as an example. I have a child with ADHD. We did one helping a child with ADHD. All these we just built presentations. All of them just took minutes, and then you can go in and tweak it. But now I can go from start to finish in about 30 minutes to an hour, where it used to take me 3, 4, 5 hours over a few days or weeks to get a presentation. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you will make use of the tools, Gamma especially, to do your next presentation. I'm going to put a link to Gamma right in the chat if you want to check it out. It is an amazing tool. I use it all the time. It has real world practice, and I will talk to you again real soon. Take care.